Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install spec reporter. For that, guys, go to the package.json. There should be something called spec reporter. If it is not there, try to install spec reporter like this. So you can just run npm install. So you can do in dev dependencies. So to do that, just minus save minus dev space WDIO slash spec hyphen reporter. Click on enter. This will now save the spec reporter in your framework. That's how I was able to install this. But let us see from the beginning. So now you can see it has added the packages. Okay. Second thing, what you have to do, go to wdo.conf.js, go to the max instances I've given 4. You can give up to 10. This is another scenario where you can give max up to 10. Go to the reporters. I have added LU reporter. So here just click on enter. You can add one more reporter here. Okay. So I'll just add this. So yeah, now it should run properly. CLS, just let me run desktop run. So now it is able to launch those browsers. You can see 4 browsers are launched parallelly. I gave 4 max instances. So 4 different test cases are being executed here. So one got failed, it is totally fine. Now let us see the spec report, how the spec report is giving us the result. 3 passed, 1 failed. So if you can see here, this is spec reporter giving you the scenarios. So we have done the clear test. This is how it is giving pass. It is passed now clear test. This is pass to response test in desktop, and attrib value is also pass. If you go 3 pass and 1 is failure, it is giving as a failure scenario. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.